everyone, welcome to Fearless Doves, where girls discover their strength and confidence. My name is Miss Dove.
And I am Little Miss Dove.
And today we're going to show you how to get away if someone grabs your wrist and how to use your voice to stay safe and strong.
But Miss Dove, you don't have your uniform on.
Oh, you're right. Can you help me?
Yep.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
So first, we're going to learn how to use our big, strong voice to scare someone away. If someone's making you uncomfortable or wants to hurt you, you can let them know that they are too close and you want them to get away from you, whether this is a stranger or someone from school. Little Miss Dove, can you show our friends how to use your big, strong voice?
Yes.
All right, so let's say someone's making you uncomfortable or wants to hurt you. What kind of things can you say to them?
Leave me alone.
All right, that was so good. Great job. All right, let's try something else. What else can you say?
Back off.
That was so amazing. Good job. All right, little doves, it's your turn to try. When I count to 3, you're gonna say, leave me alone. Make sure you use your strong voice, your strong eyes, and your strong body like this. Leave me alone. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, that was amazing. You could definitely scare someone off with that one. So let's say you use your strong voice and someone still grabs your wrist like this. This is never okay, and I'm gonna teach you how to break free. First, you're gonna make a big fist like this. You're gonna grab your wrist and you're gonna yank it away. Don't try to pull your arm out. Yank it away, elbows up to the sky. All right, little Miss Dove, let's show them what this looks like.
Let's do it.
Okay, little Miss Dove, so I'm gonna grab your wrist like this, make a big fist, just like that. With your other hand, grab your fist and yank it up. There we go. Remember, elbows to the sky. Let's try it again. Ready? And pull away. There we go. Good job. What we don't want to do is pull towards you. See, then you get stuck. So elbows to the sky. All right, now let's slow it down so everyone can really see what's going on. All right, let's put it all together now. Little Miss Dove, let's show them what you got. Hey, you, come here.
No, leave me alone.
All right, that was so amazing. Let's do it one more time. You ready?
Yep.
Hey, you, come here, little kid.
No, leave me alone.
No. Once you get out of the escape, you run to go get help. All right, that's all for today. If your parent is next to you, go ahead and practice with them. If they're not available, go ahead and practice on your own and show off your skills to them later. And remember, you are strong, smart, and brave. So keep soaring, little dove.
Yep.
And parents, if you would like to share a video of your child practicing their escape, please tag us on Instagram at Fearless Doves. See you next time.
See you next time.